Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect capital.com to TradingView in 2026. Now, it's very simple and easy thing to do. First of all, you need to come here on tradingview.com. When you are here, you just have to simply log in into your account first. Afterwards, you just have to launch any of the charts in front of you. Now, the chart doesn't matter. All you need to do is you need to come here on this particular chart analysis page. Now here click on the option of trading panel in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. Now here it is going to show you the list of all of the brokers which you can be basically connect with your TradingView account very easily. Now among these we need to look for capital.com. So here in the second row you will find capital.com, but if you are not able to find it here, you can also use the search bar on the top right hand corner. Afterwards you just have to simply type capital.com, then you will be able to find it here. Now click on capital.com, then click on the option of connect. So here it is going to redirect you on capital.com's official website. So basically it is the login page. So here you just have to provide your email address and password, then simply press continue. So if it asks you for the authentication, you just have to authorize TradingView. So this way you will be able to connect capital.com with TradingView very easily. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.